Cincinnati.
WKRP in Cincinnati.
God, I love that show. The Thanksgiving episode with the turkeys. It seems to me that they're throwing turkeys from the plane. Oh my God, these birds don't fly. All right, let's do a little pre-truck check. Let's make sure we haven't punched anywhere. Everything looks like she's still together. I think we're good. For tire shop mobile guy to come and hopefully help us out with the tire situation, because the tire that's in the trailer not holding air. Time to call her a night, man. Time to call it a night. All right, well, it is day number 2 of the road trip to Texas for the Lone Star Throwdown. We're gonna grab some breakfast and then go get the tires fixed, because we have blown tires and we need to get the tires fixed.
That's amazing.
This is what you're amazed with right now? This is hilarious.
I'm easily amused, but it stumped me. I couldn't find the spoons.
Oh, yeah.
Looking all over.
Yeah, you're not used to
The
seeing it in
bowls
a
are down
dispenser.
there.
That's amazing.
I know.
No, that's nothing. This is good content, though. It is.
Great content.
That's great. That's fantastic.
All right, we're packed up. Got everything you can possibly imagine in here. And we're just gonna go get the trailer. We're gonna go around the corner at the tire shop. We already called, and they have all the tires. We're gonna get everything installed, and we're gonna keep heading to Texas. Nothing's stopping us today. Day number 2, road trip, Lone Star Throwdown. We're coming. A little bit of a tire issue, but nothing we can't handle. Hey, Rai. Day number 2, Rai. The adventure of getting tires.
Are you tired, right?
Tread lightly, my friend.
All the puns are out this morning. Day number 2, Lone Star Throwdown 2024. The road trip from Ontario to Texas. Slight mishap last night outside of Louisville, but we are almost back up and running. We should be there.
Hey, Todd. I hate your tailgate, man. Me and your tailgate are not friends.
Yeah, tailgate hasn't been a good friend the last couple days. Get a new one. Oh, the whole inside of the truck reeks of exploded rubber.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Lots of tire shops down here in LaGrange. Yay! Huge shout out to LaGrange Towing. Thank you very much for coming last night. Huge help. It's a big one.
Come on.
Yeah.
Let me see this.
I'm gonna park here for a sec.
Right here, pull the Ranger out.
So, what we ran into last night was we lost one of our tires. It shredded up really bad. And then this spare, which is obviously losing air now overnight. Apparently that spare is also garbage. So we are looking at doing probably a set of tires and a spare. But how else are we gonna get to Texas? I don't know, 12, 14 hours? So let's do it. Yeah. Yeah, it's here.
Yeah.
You want a picture with it? Go right. Oh, we will.
100% we will.
Away or no?
Yeah. Yep. As soon as we get the truck out. LaGrange, Kentucky. It's beautiful. It's chilly here though. Thought it might be a little warmer, but I guess it is only middle of February. And they're gonna get us in right away, get the new tires on, and we should be up and rolling. We just gotta pull the Ranger out. Okay, truck is out. I'm gonna let it sit and warm up for a minute. Hasn't run in a few days. There's the shredded tire. Yay! Fuck, slow down. You're in a fucking parking lot. Apparently the Ranger is a little low on fuel, although we're not really gonna drive it, but we might as well throw some gas in while we're here. That truck's been apart for 15 years. It's the first time me seeing it under power in person. It's pretty crazy. I never thought I'd see the day. Even when I was doing the body and paint, I didn't think it would actually happen. But it has, and it's amazing. And it looks great. And we can't wait to bring it to Texas to show all y'all. First time you've ever put gas in it at a pump?
Oh.
Okay, guys. Awesome. Appreciate it. All right. Okay, man. Take care. All right, that's it. Tires are done. Great service here in LaGrange, Kentucky. So for now, we're going to get this pig loaded up. Okay. All right. Let's go to Texas.